Today, we're in Cleveland, Tennessee with Pat Story, better and affectionately known to friends, family, and neighbors as Miss Pat. We'll be touring her beautiful home that's every bit as warm and welcoming as you would imagine any good Southern home should be. Tucked into the heart of Cleveland, this pastel, mint green beauty on Oak Street has been standing for over a century. It's known locally as the Hale House, a perfect example of early 1900s Southern architecture that still turns heads today. This American Foursquare home blends a classic American architecture with Miss Pat's love of antiques and personal collections. Her own unique style of decorating with vibrant and colorful paint and fabrics inside and out add personal touches, warmth, and character throughout. It's a grand and comfy home built in the Carter Heights subdivision, which is part of the historic district in downtown Cleveland and is recognized locally through the Historic Cleveland Neighborhood Association and is featured in Lee University's historic home tours. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Janet at the Cleveland Cottage, and today's video is a personal tour of Pat Story's beautiful home. Although Miss Pat preferred that I do all the talking, she so graciously shared personal stories regarding her beloved pieces and her love for people and all things home and family. You're watching the Cleveland Cottage, where my hope is that you will live life and find what makes you happy. Sharing one's home with others is personal and a sign of trust and mutual respect because it is a sacred space built and filled with love of family, friends, and personal treasures from over the years. I love seeing how others live, making new friends, and learning something new every day, so this tour has definitely made me happy. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Miss Pat and I would love to hear from you. So come on in so we can look around Miss Pat's amazing farmhouse in the city. Although Tom and I have lived on the same street as Miss Pat for almost 30 years, we only recently met her at our first ever block party. It was a huge success, and the best part was meeting her neighbors and making new friends, like Miss Pat and her wonderful sister Sherry. The house was built around 1900 and is recognized by the Historic Cleveland Neighborhood Association as the Walker Brand Hailstory home. It is unclear who built the house, but Paul G. and Sarah Pauline Hale lived here for more than 70 years, and Miss Pat has transformed it into the stunning American Foursquare farmhouse that it is today. Miss Pat and her husband Doug moved into their home in 2000 because her mother and father lived in the house right behind it, where her sister Sherry, whom Miss Pat lovingly refers to as sister, lives now, and because she wanted to live closer to her parents. She loved the house because it was old and filled with character. It fueled her passion for decorating in the country and farmhouse styles. Her home is an eclectic collection of antiques, thrifted finds from estate and yard sales, and lovely handmade items by family and friends. Miss Pat loves to spend a lot of time in her timeless sunroom, but her favorite spot and mine is outside on her back porch, where she enjoys sitting year-round with sister, family, and friends and enjoying great conversations. One of my favorite rooms inside is her elegant and cozy dining room. Miss Pat likes colors that flow from one room to the next, and she loves the wallpaper in her little dining room the best. She has so many lovely items in her spacious home. She loves the grandfather clock in her living room that her husband Doug bought for her years ago for Christmas. They had to put it on layaway for all of you who remember when you had to patiently wait to pay off an item before getting to bring it home. She loves anything and everything that belonged to family and things that were made or gifted to her from friends and loved ones, like the kitchen island that her brother built for her or the card cabinet in the sunroom and her sofa table. I asked Miss Pat what her favorite memory was. She told me that she had so many good memories here and that her husband and her worked hard restoring and maintaining their home. Doug indulged any crazy project that she tried to bring to life. Sister has 5 grandchildren and they all grew up in her back driveway, so this home holds many dear memories from years gone by. The most important thing Miss Pat wants everyone to know about her home is that everyone who visits feels a warm welcome, and I can attest that they do. I adore Miss Pat and her sister Sherry. We are kindred spirits and share a love of home, family, and friends. Tom and I are very blessed to have such wonderful neighbors who share our same values. I hope you'll show Miss Pat some love and leave a comment. Let us know which item and space were your favorites. Mine were the front and back porches, and the pink bike leaned against the tree. There are so many to choose from outside. Wait until you see the inside. I hope you have enjoyed this video because I had so much fun talking to Miss Pat and Sister Sherry. We had the best time talking and connecting on the back porch where neighbors become friends and history is made and revisited. I hope you'll join me for part 2 of a 3-part series of Miss Pat's beautiful home, where we'll take a tour of the downstairs and see her favorite sitting room, my favorite, her cozy dining room with fall decor, and her unique and one-of-a-kind kitchen. I can't wait for you to see the beautiful island that her brother made. I've already asked Tom to build one for me. Her home is a treasure trove of special items that have sentimental value and are simply mesmerizing to admire. She is kind and welcoming, and I can't wait for everyone to watch with me and feel that special connection to Miss Pat. Everyone who knows her loves her. I want everyone to get to know her through her beautiful home and heart. Until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in part 2. Bye.